Hey! I'm Jing and this is Gerald.
And welcome to our channel.
We are at Hawaii today.
Hawaii? Why do I see so many Chinese people?
Because we're in China's Hawaii.
Oh yeah! Welcome to Sanya, Hainan.
The most beautiful tropical city in China.
I was sleeping on the floor when he showed up at my door and said it's time to pack a bag and get away. The scientists are coming, so we better get a running before the nanobots invade our brains.
The sunrise of Shenzhen. Good morning, everybody. Today is the day we embark on our epic Sanya adventure.
Stayed up all night just because my flight from South Africa was delayed. Now I'm back and we're ready to enjoy some laughter and unexpected surprises along the way. Let's do this.
Didi took us to Bao'an Airport. Didi is Chinese Uber, which we use a lot, especially when it's this early in the morning.
Look at this futuristic machine. It's actually a self-check-in device and this Lawai can't use it. Unfortunately, the foreign residents need to use the manual check-in, but this is something the Chinese residents can enjoy.
Breakfast time. Since we didn't sleep the whole night, we really need some energy right now.
And look at these delicious little wontons. They explode in your mouth and the flavor just goes everywhere. It's amazing.
This is actually a company from my hometown, Laoxiangji. It's a pity that they only offer breakfast at this time because their dishes,
What are you talking about? This is delicious. Just look at this delicious beef noodles soaked in spicy oil. The fragrance will just crawl up your nose.
Do you know what happens when I don't sleep and I am stuffed?
What?
I just dropped it.
Yeah, like I don't know that. Time for a quick power nap on the shuttle.
We're refreshed and ready for the next leg of our journey.
Alright, we've made it to our boarding area. Time to join the line and board our flight to Sanya.
Ding dong! Ladies and gentlemen, we're on our way to Sanya. The flight will last 1 hour and 30 minutes. Please buckle up. Ding dong!
Ding! Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. The plane is landing now, and if you look out the window, you can see Sanya's beautiful beach just waiting for you. Thank you for flying with Air Hainan. Ding! Welcome to Sanya, China's Hawaii. Aloha, aloha, hey. It's a little aquarium in the corner. Let's go check it out.
Hey, look at that! What is that weird little fish swimming with the shark?
That's actually a remora and he cleans the shark. After we pick up our baggage, we hop into a taxi and head to our hotel for the next 3 days.
In Sanya, the taxis are orange. We may get a rainbow collection if we visit enough cities in China.
Yeah, I think we've got blue, green, orange.
Red in Hong Kong.
Oh, red as well.
We have arrived at our hotel. We can see the sea right next to it, so that's pretty nice.
I can't wait to go jump in, but we'll have to go take the suitcases first.
Who's carrying everything?
And we have arrived. Let's do a quick room tour, shall we? I mean, look at this spacious room. It's got a little kitchen at the door. They actually have pots and stoves, and you can actually use them.
The room has a swing, a nice chair, and a fridge. Also a projector,
nice.
so we can enjoy a nice movie tonight.
Summer long ago, a little seed was sown by a farmer with no shade.
Downstairs is a little shop selling tropical fruits. Giant yellow lemon. This one I know is called shanzhu in Chinese.
They look really bizarre. I mean, what's this red fruit? A weird human swimming ring?
What?
Oh wait, that's Jean! What?
In the shop is me buying a swimming ring because I can't swim
Yet. Coconuts. Off to go conquer the mighty Sanya waves. Dude, there's jellies everywhere.
It's right here.
Aren't they gonna sting us?
Are they dead?
No,
They're alive.
they're alive. Are they stingless jellies?
No idea.
If they're stingless, it's okay, right? I'll pick one up.
Oh no.
What a bummer. I mean, there's jellyfish everywhere. We wanted to just ignore them and continue swimming because we saw other people swimming here earlier, but
our legs start to feel very itchy. It may be okay if it's just one of us, but we're both standing in the sea and scratching our legs. That is not right.
so we leave the waves with utter disappointment, but we find something amazing downstairs. It's an Alipay scooter.
These Alipay scooters charge you 60 kwai a day to rent, so it's not that bad, but they will also charge you 100 kwai as deposit.
And the benefit here is they actually do charge you for 1 day, so it's 24 hours. Be careful for the other scooters you can rent, because they will say 1 day, but it expires 12 o'clock that night. So even if you rent it from, let's say, 5 o'clock, you will only have the night.
We pick one, hop on, and it's time to try another beach. Fingers crossed there won't be any jellies there.
Thanks, Poseidon!
The water is super clean and jelly-free. It's transparent, you can see your legs and arms underwater.
We may have been foiled by the jellyfish, but nothing can stop us from having a blast at the Dadonghai beach. Since we didn't expect this beach to be jellyfish-free, we didn't prepare any swimsuits at all, so we'll have to improvise here.
The water is too gorgeous and tempting, so I just jump into the water with my dress on, and no regrets at all.
After a whole day of adventuring together, it's time to feast on some delicious food.
We find this nice restaurant when we were driving randomly on the road. The view is astonishing, especially with the sunset.
This curry chicken is giving my taste buds a tropical fiesta. Spicy and delicious.
And the seafood pizza is like a slice of the ocean topped with flavorful shrimp and shells.
This is the end of our first day on our wacky Sanya trip.
Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable adventure.
Time for a good rest. Tomorrow will be a busy day.
If you want to watch more videos on our Sanya vlog, stay tuned.
See you in the next video.